Have you heard of Mirador del Golf in Sotogrande Alto? Hello, my name is Siobhan and I work at James Stewart Savills. This is a boutique urbanisation of only 20 apartments split into 4 buildings, all facing a protected green ravine. This elevated ground floor apartment with a built area of 272 square metres is spacious, bright and in impeccable condition. The main terrace area faces south, creating a cool shaded space in the summer, yet warm and sunny area in the cooler winter months. There is underfloor heating throughout and hot and cold air conditioning with Salas domotic temperature control. This community has a fabulous large swimming pool and communal gardens, a gymnasium, a games room and a common working space. This apartment is offered with designated parking for 2 cars, designated golf buggy or bike parking, and a private 10 square metre storeroom. This is unique in having such a beautiful nature view, which you start to enjoy as soon as you walk through the front door. Interested? Our contact details are at the end of this video.